Need a quick and easy way to turn your website or link into a QR code? You can do it in under a minute right from your phone or computer, no special tools required. First, open the Canva app or go to canva.com on your browser and log into your account. From the homepage, tap Create a Design and choose any size like an Instagram post or a blank canvas, whatever works for you. Once the design page opens, look at the left-hand menu and scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it. In the search bar at the top of the Apps panel, type QR code. When it appears in the results, tap on it to open the QR code generator tool. Now paste the URL or link you want to turn into a QR code. This can be your website, YouTube channel, or anything else. Once the link is in, tap Generate Code. Canva will instantly create a custom QR code and place it on your design. You can now resize it, change its color or position, and even download the design or add it to flyers, business cards, or any content you're creating. That's it, super simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy digital tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.